Is your boy. Here to give you a big update and a quick update on VeryChat. So VeryChat right now they make an announcement that was last month that this June will be Airdrop snapshots. So an announcement has been made by the team right now concerning the KYC system and also the node system. So, but right now, so many people have been mining the project since last year and they have not been given a KYC. But right now, there was a huge announcement today by the team as regards to KYC and the criteria and as regards to other updates on the very charts. So this is the very, and we know that those who have been mining on the Telegram be converted to the very coin, which is the very token of the very token of the native token of the very shout. So right here, this was the announcement. Let's go to their Telegram page to see the announcement and what will be the criteria for you to qualify for KY. So let's click on their official page on the Telegram. So let us see what the news is all about. So it's a great news to all miners on. So right now, so this was the announcement they make today, June 17. Say the second KYC migration snapshot. Say a snapshot to select target for second KYC and migration will take place on June 22. So in order for you to qualify, there is a snapshot that will be taken and a selected target for second KYC. So you can see it. So this is snapshot criteria. Say a total of 500 vary. So mean that if you have like 500 vary, you will be qualified to take place on the snapshot. So this include app mining events, reward and friends invite reward. So important note, 500 vary is the minimum to qualify for the snapshot. It does not guarantee KYC or migration. You can hear. So just for you to be qualified for the snapshot, a minimum of 500 vary token is required. So that does not guarantee that you will be giving KYC. So that does not guarantee you will be giving KYC because for those who have participated in KYC before, they say once you have minimum of 1,000, so that's it. So final eligibility is confirmed after abusive account are filtered out. If you completed non-KYC or the first KYC, you do not need to do KYC again as long as you meet the criteria. So those are for people who have conducted KYC before. So unlike last time, reward will not be paid immediately after KYC. Though there are people who are trading their vary and the reward they are getting from those who have completed all their criteria, who are mining on the non sections. So they have money they actually receive from the team. So but right now, so they are saying their payment to be delayed. Those are for the people who have actually passed that section. And also they also make announcement as regards to a new update called credit capsule. So it said the credit you have been collecting now turn into real reward. Open a very capsule for a chance at migration. I believe these are for those who have migrated their coin, who are mining on the node section. We actually have access to this feature of this very capsule. So this is the announcement. So on the 22 of June, just await your snapshots. And also on the 22 of June, KYC will also be conducted, I believe so, but there will be some slight delay due to some of the service due to the system issue. Then I don't know, but that was what they say. If you read the full announcement, it was there. Say KYC is targeted to begin in late June depending on testing, it may be delayed slightly. Thank you for your understanding. So it may start, the KYC may start on ending of June. So but there will be some little lagging as regards to testing on the system. So they just all about their KYC and their announcement. And also there is an announcement in order for you to have 100 very. So there's a way you can earn 100 very. If you come to this reward, click on it. So if you click on it, so you can see it right now. So you click on this, you click on the follow, which is follow event. So this is just a new way for you to earn 100 very. So you click on it, you follow their Twitter page, and at the end, if they make a check, if they check it that you are on the follow them on X, and also join them on Telegram. So if you join them on X, it's 50 very. If you join them on Telegram, it's 50 very. So which altogether is 100 very. So that's just all you need to do. So enough fast like this. But if you have any challenges or anything troubling you as regards to the very, then quick leave it on the comment section. I'll do it to help you out. And also I'll also leave the link of the WhatsApp group in the description below for you to join the WhatsApp group where I drop updates as regards to any crypto project. So they just all about the update and also how to claim 100 very. So thank you, peace out, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks.